Hi guys, welcome to the third episode of Mind the Line podcast. And we are talking about our childhood and particularly the social aspect of our childhood, the schooling aspect, and the play aspect with our neighbors and friends, and how that has helped us, shape our adulthood and our boundaries around it. So I don't really remember a lot of my, childhood. The most, like the maximum I do remember is the play aspect of it, right? So I remember being sort of told to go play. And I think that was our parents' way of sort of teaching us because what play teaches you and sports, because I used to play a lot of sports, is that, you fail, you get back up. You fail, you get back up. So sort of that resilience it teaches you. But yeah, so majority of my childhood that I remember is a lot of it associated with just sort of sports and play around. So what about you?
Me, I guess I was not a very extrovert kid. Like I used to chill with my cousins because there are a lot of them. So अपने घर के बहुत थे used to play with them. Like cricket खेलते थे, that red letter, Kona Kona, you know. Uh, in school as well, but I guess till fifth standard school maybe I was someone who will not talk a lot because there I also I realized like in our school we had a like play school till class 1 and then branch used to change and class 2 to 12 was separate building. So when we came from class 1 to class 2, my class changed. A lot of my friends were in another class. So it was very difficult for me to cope.
Hmm.
And then also I met few people, made few friends, which I guess were not friends per se. So class 2 to 5 was very much उसके अंदर चला गया identity crisis. वो थोड़ा stylish mean girl. My mom went to my in charge and told इसको इसके पुराने जो friends है उनके साथ करो. My kid is kind of going into depression, I can see. Because she's not talking. So class 6 में वापस मेरी section change हुआ. So I became more social. I started talking, but one thing was constant was I always had like my best friends were toppers. Though I was good at studies, but there was always a overshadowing. It's like वो monitor हैं तो I'm a uniform in charge वाला चीज. स्कूल में typically ये होता है कि class में then they are only getting that's how school works, right? सारी opportunities उनको ही मिलेगी. Even if you want to participate, does not matter.
Yeah.
वो उधर रहेगा फिर क्लास 8 में फॉर मी व्हिच वाज वन थिंग हैपेंड blessing in disguise क्या कि they made a topper section. So my friends though they got shifted but it gave me that exposure. So my personality suddenly changed.
So were you in the topper section?
No, I was not.
अच्छा.
But my friends were वो जो टॉप के 4-5 बच्चे थे ना तो वो उन्होंने ऐसा 90 प्लस कुछ तो which I think as a kid so it's such a stupid thing to do. It sometime teachers once their section changed मुझे ऐसा a lot more kids were like me who got that exposure. The class 8 to 12 I was like monitor of the class always in front. I went for debates even because आप वो teacher जब आपके यहाँ वो 45 minutes आ रहा है ना now they are focusing on another children as well.
Yeah.
More students. सो उधर मेरा पर्सनालिटी में बहुत चेंज आया था. वहां से लेकिन ये हुआ कि ऐसा लगता था आई हैव अ स्कूल पर्सनालिटी एंड आई हैड अ होम पर्सनालिटी फिर जो मुझे अब रियलाइज होता है कि आई वाज बेसिकली हैड वेरी स्कूल में आई वाज वेरी मच मोर चीयरफुल. मैं घर पे ये नहीं बोलूंगी बहुत शांत थी
Hmm.
बट जाते हो देन ट्यूशन ट्यूशन बिकॉज दैट हैपेंड इन क्लास 8
Hmm.
एंड ऑलवेज न्यू कि मेडिसिन करना आगे तो वो तब से तुम स्पेशली क्लास 9 से तो यू आर इनटू दैट रैट रेस ना. आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय बीइंग एट स्कूल
I
वहां पे.
had a similar experience. Like I used to love school, and because mine, I mean, primarily was a hostel. So from for like 6 years, anyways, like we just would have 2 months off. So But I don't know if I had a different sort of personality. I think I've just always been generally quiet. And so I don't think that maybe I had a sort of different thing, but my main thing has always been like around activities and always been around sort of keeping myself busy with sports, activities, exploring. So school allowed me
Hmm.
to do that. Like we had activities, we could switch them up. And so now, that always the question, like you said, there's always competitiveness, and you always sort of have to prove something to yourself or to your parents or to society, or parents have to prove to society or whatever. So that competition is there for every child, and I think it's growing more and more. In our school, it was that you had to be an all-rounder, and that was
Hmm.
the main thing. So you had to be good in sports, you had to be good in activities, and you had to be good academically. So not one thing was the focus at that time. So while I mean, we did get those opportunities to be sort of explore different things, see what you're good at. I feel like that's something, because I moved around a lot, like different schools,
Hmm.
colleges. And so that sort of, in order to, when you're moving around a lot with friends as well, it doesn't stay easy unless you're a very outgoing extroverted person, and stay in touch, right? You have to make efforts to stay in touch. But when you're focusing on, like, especially in medicine, when you're focusing on, day and night, you have tuitions, you have classes, you're focusing on those, you can barely stay in touch with your friends, which is a really sad part. Like, I do believe that it's a really sad part that socially we have not focused a lot. But recently, I mean, WHO also came out with this huge book on social well-being and social connectivity, because I think now everyone's beginning to realize that isolation is a problem and loneliness is a big problem, it's an epidemic. And even now, there are these in Delhi and metro cities, they're making these meetup sort of places, like board games meetups, sports meetups, or
Hmm.
different activities based meetup where you have common interests and you're meeting new people. So loneliness, I believe that, as we get in, we're changing, moving around. So for someone like, where you came from a joint family, you had more of a sort of same schooling, same set of friends. Yeah. So when you moved after that, how did you cope up with this aspect?
So you know what happened? First school में भी ना, I had friends, but I had very few close friends. तो स्कूल में तो सबको ही friends बोलते हैं. And also my group was like majorly boys. I had a very few female friends. मुझे आज तक समझ में नहीं आया. उस time, you know, I was the tomboyish.
Hmm.
Tomboy, and ऐसे लगता था, oh, girls just gossip. And it's such a, life has come around. I keep telling, make female friends. Nothing works like magic in your life if you have good female friends in life.
Yeah.
Because ultimately, but I actually had few friends जिनको अब जिस जो समझ में आता है ना, अभी जो फ्रेंड की कैटेगरी में होने चाहिए
Hmm.
उसमें. Also, वही I took a drop year and a lot of my friends then they went to college. वो वहीं से connection फिर चला गया.
Yeah.
Anyways, especially 11 changing. उसके बाद जब once I went to Manipal,
Hmm.
वो long distance भी नहीं चलता relationship वो friendship. So at least at that age. So
Hmm.
for me also I went to a new place. Joint family से निकल के खुद रहना was lucky enough कि initial उसमें made like friends who are still very close friends till date. But again, learning to do everything by yourself, right? And this is very funny कि ठीक है बैंक का काम ये वो आपको सब like I remember my dad one day when they were there, he took me to bank वहाँ पे दिखाया कैसे क्या है ATM कैसे यूज होगा क्या होगा everything. And अभी सब आता है लेकिन still when I am home और अगर मुझे कुछ काम होगा look at my dad. Get out. तो वो जो शिफ्ट था इट वाज वेरी क्या बोले एड्रेनलिन रश भी था कि वाओ बड़े हो रहे हैं खुद
Hmm.
करना है. But also, yeah, you're scared because मेरे घर से I was the first kid who went out.
Keeping in line with the, like, sort of social growth, and
Yeah.
where does boundaries sort of play a role? I think mostly school. I don't know if I focus so much on, it was just friendship, and
Yeah.
like it's so quick, especially in hostel. One day you're friends with someone, the other day you're not friends with someone, and third day you're back being friends with them, and you have like these sort of groups of people you're chilling with. Some you played sports with, you become friends with them, houses. So it's just some people who have just been stuffed together. You make it work. But as I think you get into college, you realize, and the other day I was having a conversation with a friend who's in masters now, and this is a common scenario. I think all of us must have gone through it, that she's the one, every time she can't say no, so Sara uska coffee ka 5-10 group of people, like, they wanna go coffee, and some whatever they wanna have something, so Sara bill us pe aa jata. Now she doesn't want to say no because you want to hang out. This loneliness is so bad that you want to sort of, and you've made that effort to venture out, especially for people who find it not so easy to, it's a big step to sort of go out. So aap unke sath, you made the effort, you made the plan, you're going out. Now the bill comes on you. In my guys friends, they used to run to the loo, and उनको suddenly लू जाना होता था, and the bill would come. So now she's finding it difficult that, हर बारी I don't want to keep paying for that many people. So for us, like now that we are here in our 30s, we'll just say that, you know, don't pay. But for someone who's young and, we've been there, and people pleasing, you don't want to miss out. Maybe you are scared, maybe you won't get invited again because your value is based on the money you feel, and
Yeah.
how you can maintain your friendships. So how do they sort of find that balance, and what would you sort of suggest to someone who's going through that?
It's a difficult conversation, but to have it as soon as possible. Because जितना आप delay करोगे ना, वो habit बनती जाती है. Funnily enough, I met couple of my college friends the other day, and end में ना dinner के बाद ये हुआ, who will help पे, and then we started laughing. कि एक time था कि तूने मेरे 10 रुपए देना है, तूने तूने करना है, it's so much.
Yeah.
Like when we were students. That's funny. But वो वही है कि you don't have to be, but you should know what kind of people you are hanging out, even if it are out of loneliness. Those kind of people are not going to give you solution because the day you will actually need them, they
Yeah.
might not be. I'm not just saying कि सब खराब होते हैं, but they might not be there. There's chances that if that's the only reason they are hanging out
Yeah.
with you,
I mean, it
it's
may also just be that she's the one who's always willing to pay and the others never,
like, no, do it one time. Don't take out your wallet. Just
yeah.
I know awkward हो जाता है लेकिन wait.
Just all of us are sitting and like looking, कौन करेगा?
और तब भी मैं तो have a frank conversation के जाते जाते कि अब तो वो split wise आ गया.
I used to
Yeah,
have a
split.
simple funda. I used to tell before we went out that
Yeah.
I'm tight, and
Hmm.
I'll be able to contribute this time. So then I would leave it on the other person to then be like, okay, it's okay, come along, or they'll be like, nah, you stay back. Like I used to clarify it before, so that it doesn't get awkward there.
ये बोलना भी ना
Yeah.
बिकॉज फिर आप उस यू गो इनटू स्पाइरल ना कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा करेगा स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर आउट सो मैं
I
इसलिए
mean,
बोली कि वो
there are these spiral
स्पेशली
problem, but now I've become what will the other person think, and will it seem appropriate? Will it not seem appropriate? And I think a lot of that has to do with society in general and the norms in terms of shifting to a bigger city, and where in Delhi there's like a lot of money to sort of spend, and people spend it freely. So, that pressure also adds up on you.
that's what ना even in Delhi there is certain मैं बता रही हूँ maybe that is like top 10% at most अब
Hmm.
स्कूल वाले स्टूडेंट्स वो प्रेशर है ना once you I like hostel in that way everyone has a set budget कि आपको इसी की मैं आपको इसमें पार्टी करनी है पार्टी करो to people want to hang out after college, go to certain places, how you are traveling, it's such a big part of their social life and it's इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि starting में have those conversations very freely कि क्या है क्या नहीं है and एक दिन मत दो बिल बैठ जाओ it's difficult I know it's
पेट की
difficult
रोटियां काउंट कर लो.
हाँ
Just sit and
और
relax.
you
Or go to the loo.
yeah
Yeah, I know. I mean, you'll see what happens. Worst case scenario, you'll be taking out or running away from the hotel. People have done that as well, like back in school. Just run away and like एक जने को छोड़ गए. बाकी सारे धीरे धीरे मम्मी का फोन आ गया, इमरजेंसी आ गई वो. So all those things, सबने किए हुए हैं, and that's okay as well. Part and parcel of sort of growing up. But I feel that you should know first that why you have those set of friends. Like, what is it that you are looking for? If it is company and you're okay, compromising certain aspects for that company, you should know. And it should be very
yeah
clear in your head as to why I'm spending that, time and energy. Most importantly, I think it's important to be free, sort of be okay alone, which a lot of people struggle with, is being alone. Like a friend of mine, now that she's a mother, was just telling me that, I needed some time off. Went with my husband for a movie. Husband said, "Pasand nahi aayi." She said, "I'm going to finish it." She said, "It's my first movie I've sat through alone." And I believe that, that's where the codependency conversation, partners, with spouses, with even friends early on, or
Mm.
even roommates, it comes because we're, I feel that we're quick to codependency comes easy.
Mm. It
But
does.
setting those boundaries with people around for your own health is important as well. Like, where is that affecting you?
So that's what I realized the concept of boundaries once I went to hospital. Once you're there, you realize that everyone is not there for you, and even who are there, primary aim is not your friendship. As brutal as it sounds, सब वहां अपनी डिग्री करने आए हैं एवरी कोई कुछ भी कर लो किसी का रिलेशनशिप हो फ्रेंडशिप हो चिल करना हो जो भी हो एक्स वाई
Hmm.
जी प्राइमरी एम है कि अपना डिग्री करने आए हैं
Hmm.
उस एस्पेक्ट में किसको क्या करना है कैसे करना है so they you have to choose yourself you have to see what works for you
Hmm.
like two of my closest friends we didn't study together till our last year like final year का final university का final practical एक जाके तो चार we did everything together except for study
Yeah. And that's okay.
वो रियलाइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपका प्राइमरी एम क्या है और वहां से थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट आया बाउंड्रीज प्रायोरिटाइजेशन
Hmm. Assertive.
ऑल्सो हाँ assertiveness. Also, I guess I first time I took a therapy, I was in college, second year. My best friend took me to a therapist. Till day I owe everything to her because I think that was a life changing, life defining moment for me. Like literally, I was down in dumps. She just came. I used to fight with her a lot.
Hmm.
Like वो sibling relationship भी हो गया because I'm not even someone who fights with someone like किसी से भी ज्यादा कुछ
Hmm.
except for my brother. I used to fighting with her a lot and I had cast also and everything was going down south. One day she's like कल हम दोनों second half नहीं जा रहे हैं and you are going to psychology department. You are going to psychology department and get your therapist. I was like okay. So that was a defining moment. वहां से फिर even with that therapist helped me out.
Yeah.
To set boundaries वो childhood का again how it defined me how it, क्योंकि घर पे वही होता है ना आपको सबकी सुनने की आदत होती है
Hmm.
सबके अकॉर्डिंग करने की आदत होती है तो या अगेन अभी अब वो हो गया लाइक फॉर यू से ना नाउ यू थिंक अ लॉट के लोगों के बारे में
Yeah.
फॉर मी इट्स अदर वे अराउंड व्हिच इज बिकमिंग डेंजरसली लो एंड आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट कि नहीं इतना भी नहीं सोसाइटी में रहता कैन नॉट बी सो
But
मच लाइक के क्या
that feels
चलोगे
nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Not
It
having
does.
to worry about another person or thing, but
Yeah.
healthy, of course. We should cut this out.
So, hmm. So basically, friends and family have a huge role in defining us, especially initial years में. And there is always a eureka moment सबकी life में. वो कभी भी आ सकता है. So thanks for listening to, watching to this episode, and we'll back with the next episode soon.
Bye.